So I know you're probably wondering what necessarily can be made better about PDF.ai. I mean, it's so good already. There's so many great things about it. Or you're wondering, what the heck is PDF.ai? PDF.ai is the product that will allow you to chat with any PDF document, from legal documents to financial reports and much, much more. PDF.ai brings your documents to life in one of the best user interfaces and products you've ever seen. You can upload documents, get instant answers, and see what sources were pulled from in those answers. So going inside to my chat documents, you can see there's a lot of different ones that I've worked with before. You essentially just can upload one right here. You can import it from URL or select documents and much more. So for example, if I go to this Bertrand Russell article right here, it's a philosophical article and I've interacted with it before. Now, as you can see, there is a few more options on our product now. We have Deepseek, and Deepseek is an amazing product where we can ask specific questions about this article. So please write a large detailed summary of this article. So it's working through the problem, and I could have asked that via audio. I could have pressed this and clicked one of the pre-made prompts, or I could use my own prompts as well that I have set up here as predefined prompts. As you can see right here, it's writing out this overview. And something I really like about PDF.ai is if I wanted to hear back, I could absolutely click on this, and then an audio voice would play out what is actually said here in the written response as well. So you can see this article basically critiques the modern concept of work, ethical implications, and societal structures. It contrasts Western economics with the Russian approach, highlighting inefficiencies and injustices in labor distribution. And the author advocates for reduced working hours, equitable distribution of resources, and the intelligent use of leisure to foster creativity, happiness, and societal progress. This is a pretty good breakdown of everything. It's one of my favorite articles when it comes to this topic philosophically because of when it was written versus what exists now. It's from like I believe it was made in 1919, or sorry, 1935, yeah, because this happened after World War I. We're all not really doing much in the workforce. Half of our workforce were out at war, and now we come back and we're just doing the same thing, but the economy was like kind of on the up and up, so I'm confused. And it's an interesting article, just as a thought exercise, but this is a pretty good job breaking it down. Now, if I wanted to ask more specific questions that were a little bit more risque in some sort of way, I could actually add temporary chat. So what this does, similar to what you've seen probably in ChatGPT, is it doesn't save the answers. Because if you go into any of my other articles, you'll see that it actually saves the answers just like it did for that one. So this photosynthesis article has a question that I answered here. This 10 steps to saving time and doing more article has some answers as well. So if I asked with Deepseek again, on temporary chat, can you give me very harsh advice on how to get more done based on this article? Don't hold back on being blunt, as I'm someone who is not productive. As you can see here, it shows temporary message, so it will be cleared upon refresh specifically. Stop wasting your time on useless crap. It says, you're spending hours on video games, social media, and other distractions. Cut it out. If you're serious about productivity, quit your addictions cold turkey. Declutter your life, both physically and digitally. Stop making excuses. Stop lying to yourself. Do the worst things first. Stop winging it. These are all good pieces of advice. I wonder who wrote this PDF. Probably a smart guy. No, but in all seriousness, if you want to keep it more raunchy, or just don't want other people to see what it is, I'm going to refresh this page and you'll see that is not going to show anywhere. And that is pretty good in a lot of circumstances for that reason. Now, I don't believe we've covered this on this channel as well, but also Claude 3.5 from Anthropic is available too as a model, so you can ask any questions here. And yes, of course, this will work with temporary chat as well. And you can see this responds a little bit quicker than the Deepseek one, but still effectively. Overall, that's pretty much it. There's been some solid PDF.ai improvements into the chat functionality, and I hope that you find this effective and that you're able to use it for whatever articles you would like or whatever research you need to do. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure to try out PDF.ai by using the link down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.